Yes, hi. This is basically McCarthyism. Okay, so some Joe McCarthy boy from Wisconsin becomes senator. What could possibly go wrong? America was in the middle of the Cold War, and so to help get into elections, Joe McCarthy played off the fear of communism by claiming that he would get rid of any communist or any un-American activities in the area. What is un-American activity, you may wonder? Well, according to Joe McCarthy, a gay alcoholic, being gay and being addicted to any alcoholic substances. Eventually, Joe McCarthy became senator. He claimed that he had a list that had the names of many suspected communists. Does this list exist? No. Who was on this list? Pretty much everyone who even said hi to someone on the left. So if you were accused of being a communist, you would be tried by the Committee of Un-American Activity. Funny, because the entire act of McCarthyism was pretty un-American. But to get a jail out of jail free card, one person must either be like, yes, I am a communist. I'm so sorry. Please just forgive me. And they would receive a fine or maybe a little bit of jail time. Or they could say that they're right, but that they saw Sally down the road and she was always a communist, very liberal. I'm pretty sure I heard her sing in the Soviet Union. Point is, I'm not a communist, but she is. Either one of these would work. However, if you did a reasonable thing and said that you weren't a communist, say your prayers. He will black you from ever working ever again. Now you're probably wondering what President Ike was doing during all of this. Ike was doing nothing because he was scared of McCarthyism. So eventually, Joe McCarthy attacked the army. Now keep in mind, during the Cold War, the army was kind of big, so attacking it would be really bad for anyone. So the public watched this and watched him attack the army. It's like, well, he has no sense of decency whatsoever. And with that, Joe McCarthy left office. But even then, McCarthyism took a little bit longer to die out. So that was basically McCarthyism. I have to explain that I'm not a communist.